All right, so this is a sump pump, and there are two basically. This is one, this is another one, and it's not working. This one is working, this is not working. So I have no experience, I have no idea what to do. So we're gonna figure something. See, and I don't know what is this. Probably to keep it up, force it to stay on. All right, just keep the things away, far away from it. And I think this one that's not working has some kind of, you see those white thing? I don't know what it is. I have to remove it to see if it works. All right, to do so, I'm gonna first take this thing out. I can hear some kind of sound, like the motor is trying to turn on, but it's unable to maybe work. All right, I'm gonna take the switch off. This too. Ooh, you notice electricity is better now. All right, so we're gonna go a bit down. What about this? Try. Actually cold, so to wear some gloves. Alright, so what I have done is I removed it. It was pretty easy, just 2 screws, and it was unplug it and lift it from here. So it looks weird, and I don't know, some kind of white sediment on it. I don't know what it is, but try to scrub it, and it leaked a lot of weird colored stuff, and it looks much cleaner. These little things, I think the water passes through it. So I don't know what, if there is something inside this, I don't know, but I'm just gonna open it to see, just to be sure. All right, so it's open now. I just gonna clean it, wash it, and see if, after installing it, and see if it works. Another thing that I did is I just rotated it a bit. I'm not sure if it was a good idea or a bad idea, but I thought maybe there is some kind of motor. It needs to be, you know, able to move easily. So let's did it. The water is going from here, coming out from the other side. I checked it, you see. So that part is good. I think if it goes from here, it should not come out from the other side, right? Technically. It is coming out. Probably that's normal. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Let's see. Alright, so what I've done is put the wire, switch, and then put it in a bucket. I put some water in it. Now I just have to lift this to see if it actually throws water out of it. Alright guys, alright, so I'm gonna try it now, and I hope it throws water, and the moment it throws, I'm gonna just drop this thing because it's gonna keep working otherwise. Let's see. Alright, just be safe, and let's see what happens. Whoa. That's good. Good, it worked. Perfect. So save yourself from costs and just take it out. This thing is ready to go. Now we just have to assemble it back to where it belongs. Well, I guess it worked. There you go. I made a mistake though. I forgot to put that part on it. So I'm not sure if it's gonna cause some kind of leak. Yeah, I see there's a little bit of water coming down. So maybe I should just unplug and put that thing on and then tighten it again. Yeah. It worked. Alright, so we're gonna check it once more. I have replaced I put it back, the steel plate thing. Just want to check if they're working together. Get this one functioning good, and this one. All right, nice and fast. That's all we wanted. Perfect. So it's perfect. Basically, I made a call. I'm based in Quebec, Pointe-Calouet. I made a call for a plumber. The first one was busy, said they cannot come for a month. The second guy asked for $250 an hour. I said, well, I should try it myself. If it doesn't work, it's better to buy one in $150 and replace it yourself, right? So anyways, I washed it and it just worked. It's normally the sediments or stuff that blocks it, and once you clear it, it's good to go.